this video, we are going to talk about how easy it is to copy and paste product image and description using Spot and List. First, go to your supplier website and find your desired product. Then, click Open your Spot and List extension. Then click Configure with supplier name on the extension pop-up. An image pop-up will appear. You need to select two images. In the Choose Image Change event, you have two options, either hover or click. In the purpose of this demo video, we are going to choose click. Hit Select and then click the images that you want to copy. After selecting two images, a preview pop-up should appear. If you are not happy with the images you've chosen, you can click Reset and choose another image. And when you're satisfied with the images that you just copied, click Exit. Click Refresh or reload the website. After reloading the page, a copy button will appear on the left side part of your screen. Click Copy. The product is now copied. To check the copied item, click Open the Spot and List extension and you should see your copied product on the list. Your product image and description is now copied. You can repeat the steps mentioned in this video if you wish to add more products on your product list. If you're done copying product images and description, you can now go ahead and start creating your listing on your e-commerce shop. Thank you for watching this video and please watch our other spot and paste tutorials in this channel.